Alright, for this video, I like to share what I did with my car. So I own a Honda Civic 2016 model. So the rear speakers are pretty much quality, not very good. As you can see from the speaker that I've removed, it feels pretty lightweight and it's like a paper cone. So what I have here is a pair of Infinity two-way speakers. The model of this Infinity is called Infinity Reference 65321X. It's a two-way car speakers. On top of it, there's a 1-inch tweeter being installed. The speaker is rated at 3 ohm, but with the speaker wire it makes a total of 4 ohm, and it can handle power up to 60 watt RMS. That's the max power, which is good. And after installing, immediately I could feel the difference with the stock speaker and this pair of speaker, and it's without an amplifier. So I'm going to add an amplifier a few days later. As for now, I'm happy, man. Well, if you like this video, please click subscribe and like, and leave down your comments below. This video is not sponsored by Infinity or affiliated by them. So please support me by clicking like. Thank you.